Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Asus Tuf Gaming A14, a laptop that promises to be a mid-range powerhouse with some impressive specs. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Asus Tuf Gaming A14 comes in a surprisingly light package for a gaming laptop, weighing just 3.2 pounds. It combines a metallic top and bottom with a durable plastic casing inside, maintaining a premium feel while ensuring durability. The keyboard offers ample key depth and a tactile yet soft touch, making it comfortable for both gaming and typing. The touchpad is also commendable with its smooth surface and snappy clicks. Now, let's get into the heart of this machine performance. Powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 370 chipset and paired with the GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, this laptop packs serious punch. It boasts a 14-inch QHD Plus display with a 165Hz refresh rate, offering sharp visuals and smooth gameplay. Whether you're gaming, working, or dabbling in creative tasks, the combination of CPU and GPU performance ensures a seamless experience. Moving on to connectivity, the Asus Tuf Gaming A14 provides a decent array of ports, including USB 4 Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A, HDMI 2.1, and more. However, it lacks an Ethernet port and only includes a micro SD card reader, which might not suit everyone's needs in 2024. Battery life is another highlight with a 73 watt-hours battery, promising decent uptime for gaming sessions on the go. Asus has equipped this laptop with an effective cooling system borrowed from its higher-end models, ensuring optimal performance even under load. In conclusion, the Asus Tuf Gaming A14 impresses with its blend of power and portability. It challenges higher-priced alternatives with its robust performance and thoughtful design choices. However, limitations like the maximum 16GB RAM capacity and the absence of a full-size SD card slot might be considerations depending on your usage. That wraps up our review of the Asus Tuf Gaming A14. If you're looking for a mid-range gaming laptop that doesn't compromise on performance or design, this could be a solid choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy gaming!